How to unfollow someone in T3 Arena. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how you can easily unfollow someone in T3 Arena game. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the T3 Arena game on your device and wait for the main lobby screen to load. Once it does, go to the top right corner and tap on the two human icons, and this will open up the social tab. From the social tab, go to the bottom left and tap on follow, and you'll be able to see all of the list of your friends that you followed. To unfollow someone, go tap on their profile icon. This will take you to their profile info section where you need to click the three dots and click on unfollow. Now click confirm to unfollow the contact. You are no longer following the contact anymore. Unfollowing someone does not block them, it only removes them from your following list. So that's it. That is how you can easily unfollow a player on T3 Arena. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.